In the meantime, let's go ahead and get another check on your first alert forecast with Michael. Good morning.
Hey, Carmen, good morning. Outside for the month of April, if you're thinking it's been a pretty wet month so far compared to how dry March was, you're right. Take a look at this map behind me. We've picked up just over an almost 2 3/4 of an inch of rain for the month. And typically, we average about 3.5 inches of rain for the month of April. So we're already halfway there. And as we move over the next 7 days, there's a chance we can actually pick up all the rain that we've needed again for the month of April in just a 7-day stretch. So we're continuing to track. I think we could pick up anywhere from about 1 to as much as 3 inches of rain that could potentially develop as we move ahead over the next 7 days. I want to point out we have a first alert weather day on the way for Wednesday due to the threat of some severe storms that will develop area wide. In fact, there's also a severe weather threat as we move ahead into the second half of the day for today. So just keep in mind that we do have the threats for severe weather to build into our area later today as well as into tonight as well. So let's take a look at what you can expect for the next couple of days. 82 for today. We're mostly cloudy. We're warm, muggy, and breezy as we move throughout the day. And then looking ahead to tomorrow, it's a first alert weather day. We'll see rounds of showers and storms. We could see around early and around during the second half of the day. What I want you to know for tomorrow, if we see more showers and storms in the morning, the atmosphere won't be able to refuel and recharge, so we would have lesser of a severe risk later on in the day. By Thursday, we finally get a break from any showers and storms, and temperatures will be into the middle 80s. This is the rainfall graphic I really wanted to show you. Take a look at this. 1 to 2 inches of rain will be expected over the next 7 days. Our 2 wettest days will be Wednesday and another wet day as we move ahead into Saturday. Here's the severe weather threat as we move ahead throughout the day for today. Level 2 risk north and west of the Metroplex, level 1 for the Metroplex, and pretty much the same is true for tomorrow. The bullseye will be northwestern counties into portions of the Red River area as well. So just keep that in mind that the bigger threats will be there. Large hail and damaging winds will be the 2 main threats. And we have that low non-zero tornado risk closer towards the Wichita Falls area into the Red River. Here's the dry line that I was talking about. We could see a few showers and storms fire up along this dry line and make their way east for tonight. The models have been all over the place. They're never always in agreement, and we're not seeing that. So just keep in mind that the chance for showers and storms will be there for later, but it's not a slam dunk forecast that we're definitely going to see them. So looking ahead, 7 o'clock, we try to see some showers and storms firing up out to the west. I think it'll be similar to what we saw yesterday. Some of them may hang on and make their way into our western counties. Looking ahead to Wednesday at 6:30 in the morning, so tomorrow morning, notice, I think we see some showers and storms fire up for the back end of the commute tomorrow. So just plan for that. You will need the umbrella when you step outside tomorrow. And even across portions of our northwestern counties, some showers and storms may fire up earlier in the day. Here's 7, 8, 9 o'clock Wednesday night. This model is favoring a drier scenario for the second half of the day on Wednesday and a wetter scenario for the first half of your morning. Looking outside this morning, we're continuing to see mainly dry conditions area wide, but it's pretty cloudy. Notice we're not really going to see much, if any, sunshine as we move throughout the day. We may see a few peaks of sunshine later on this afternoon. Most of the Lone Star State this morning is on the drier side, but I'm just tracking plenty of clouds. For your first alert 7-day forecast, upper 70s for your Wednesday. It's a first alert weather day. 87 by Thursday, 84 on Friday. Another wet day by Saturday. Saturday will be a cool, raw, damp day. Temperatures will be into the 60s for most of the day. And then by Sunday, we're into the 70s, but morning temperatures on Sunday will be into the 40s.